Hey guys, welcome back to another Cathay 2 version 2 video. And today we're here to explain with the md80 to do a smooth landing for Swiss. Hashtag Swiss001 landings. I forgot what the name's called. Okay, we're loading in to the md80. Still loading. Very slow. And yeah, where's Shekong Airport? Never mind. We're at what's it called? At Woods Air Force Base.
And we're showing we're slowing
For some reason. Okay. Speed brakes. Be quiet, you. Okay.
170, contact power 119.1.
Idle with an unstable approach.
He's 95.29 up 2 and hold short of runway 120.
You know what? Let's cut off the power. Never mind, I can't do that. Never mind. Whoa, that's very close.
Sync rate.
Yeah, I don't care about warnings here.
Sync rate.
I don't know if we're gonna make it onto the runway, but
170 down to 160.304 there,
yeah, I think we are.
300.
It is gonna be a very hard landing. I can't guess it. I guessed it. This is gonna be a hard landing, but let's
Sync rate.
still try.
Sync rate.
The sync rate will in the background.
Delta 1990 heavy, correction on the frequency. It's 123.9 now.
30.
1.39.
20. 10.
Ooh, yeah, that's hard. Okay, brakes, reverse thrust. And let's check out the landing with this plane. Very unstable approach though. Ooh, yeah, we touched down before the runway. But that is pretty smooth after all. Okay, yeah, that's gonna be the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and these guys are very creepy. These guys are creeping me out. Oh my god. Well, at least it is better than X-Plane 11. Yeah, we used like... What? About like... Oh, come on. And I'm froze. Oh, great. I'm frozen. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Smash that like button, subscribe, turn on all post notifications. Okay, it's hashtag Swiss001 landing. And yeah, follow my Instagram at Cathay002YT. And yeah, I'll see you all on the next video. Goodbye. And my game has crashed.